Driving at night demands constant vigilance. However, there are always oncoming vehicles that, regardless of others' safety, insist on using high beams. When you politely remind them by flashing your lights and they remain unmoved, stop enduring the blinding glare. It's time for the C02 PRO 3 color headlight lens to take the stage. Once activated, its powerful and brilliant light instantly floods the oncoming driver's field of vision, making them experience the transformation of night into day. In professional outdoor tests, the C02 PRO 3 color headlight lens has demonstrated outstanding performance, far outshining its counterparts in the same category. As night falls and you drive into the darkness, simply press the switch and your field of vision immediately expands. Whether it's a pedestrian suddenly appearing on the road or a broken down vehicle ahead, you can clearly spot them right away, gaining precious time to handle potential dangers. The C02 PRO 3 color headlight lens is a perfect combination of advanced technology and high-quality materials. It employs industry-leading optical technology to precisely control the direction and range of light propagation. Its excellent heat dissipation technology ensures efficient and stable light output even after long-term use, without any brightness reduction due to overheating. To ensure its stable operation in harsh environments, rigorous water tightness tests have been conducted on it. On a stormy night, ordinary headlights are prone to malfunction due to water ingress, significantly reducing their illumination. In contrast, the C02 PRO 3 color headlight lens, thanks to its excellent water tightness performance, can function normally in the rain, illuminating your way forward and allowing you to drive with peace of mind even in bad weather. Choose the C02 PRO 3 color headlight lens, and it will be your loyal companion for night driving.